Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. If you are new to the channel, you are most welcome. If you are existing subscribers, you are most welcome. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar, and welcome to another cooking session where we call this segment Cooking Made Simple. And it's also been put on another channel that I've created called Cooking Made Simple. So, this again, well, I would call it survival food. Other people have called it student food. So it's nice and simple. I call it cheesy sprouts and egg fry. Okay, so the ingredients, we have garlic cloves, we have onions, we have broccoli, which has already been cut into small pieces, and I've actually boiled as well because I wanted to make the video quickly. We have potato, which I cut into cubes, and again, I've already boiled it, but you can put them straight in. So we have tomatoes, we have jalapenos for the end, spices to suit. So in there you've got chili, you've got salt and pepper, we've got chili flakes, we've got turmeric, and I've forgotten the English for methi, fenugreek or something like that. Okay, and of course we need the eggs and the cheese. So we're going to start off with the garlic. Sorry about that. And that goes in first. Okay, so we're going to give that 2 minutes to soften. 2 minutes have passed now, viewers, so we're going to add the onions. So the onions are going together. So again, we're going to soften that for about 3 minutes now, viewers, and then add the other ingredients. So 3 minutes have passed now, viewers, and we're ready for our next ingredient. So as I say, I've already boiled these so that it's quicker for the video purposes, but you of course, if you want them more crunchy, can put them in straight away without boiling. Okay, so those ingredients are going to go in. And at the same time we'll add the spices. So that was on quite a high heat. We're going to turn the heat down now and toss and turn that for a few minutes. So that's cooking away nicely now. So, but I would like to make it a bit more softer. So we're going to put the lid on for about 3 minutes. Okay, so whilst that's going on, we're going to make the egg mixture, I should say egg and cheese mixture, because that goes in as well as cheese on top. So the eggs are in the bowl, viewers. We're going to whisk those. Sorry, I forgot to mention we're going to add some cheese in there as well. Okay, so as per taste, we've got eggs and we've got some cheese. So this is cooking away nicely now, viewers. So we'll just press it down a little bit, ready for the eggs. Okay, so it's quite a lot here. So you know, we first of it was 3 eggs. We've decided to make it 4 now because this mixture is quite big. That's ready for the eggs now, viewers. Okay, so hopefully that's all ready. And just spread that around a little bit. So that's nicely cooked now, viewers. We've cooked it for about 5 minutes. We're going to add our final ingredient, which is tomatoes, and you must spread it out. Spread the tomatoes. So the tomatoes are on now, viewers. We're just going to make it a bit more spicy by adding jalapenos. Again, spread those out all over. I'm just going to let those cook for about 2 minutes again, viewers, and then our dish is ready. So that is ready to be served now, viewers, and it looks quite delicious. So we're going to serve that, and in my capacity as chief taster, I will tell you how it tastes. So can we have a small piece, please? So as you can see, viewers, that's the final product. So we've got some sprouts here. That's right. Some egg. Very nice. Okay, viewers, that brings us to the end of another session. I do hope you've enjoyed it. I do hope you will try the dish. So until the next time, I say thank you for watching. Please keep watching. Look after yourselves. Look after others. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. अल्लाह हाफिज.